Okay, there are two different ways to create a quiz or test or exam using test banks or pools as they were called in Canvas. So here's a demo quiz. Got a questions. Now the first way really you want to avoid, but you can do this. This is a new question group. And you'll link to a question bank. You'll select your bank and you choose your questions and points per question. And create group. So we have a group here. Now, what we just did, we went to new group and created the group. If you do it this way, let's say you have a quiz and you have your students taking the quiz, and you realize later on that one of the answer selections on one of the questions is incorrect. So instead of marking A as correct, it's marking C as correct, and so students are not getting credit for the question that they're answering correctly. If you create the group using this method, then you will have to change the question individually on every single test. Now, if you create it this way, which is the second way, which is find questions, if you do it this way, if you have to go in and change a question after students have already taken the test, then it will give you this option here when you go in to change it. So you can change a question using the second way. Here's your options here. So I would recommend using this method, find questions, to link to a group. And that way, if you have to change a question answer after the test has already started, then you can go into one student's test, change it, and it will update it for all questions and all the tests. Excuse me, for all that question and not all the questions, just the single question in everyone's test.